this is the other side, which is just as beautiful. So yeah, your friend. What? I tend to like getting lost.
I do too.
You learn new things. So look at, my dress is so long, I had to tie it. Judah's doing that. You lost it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, never mind. Judah's not doing that. I'm not carrying both though.
That's fine. Yeah. This is like $3 what I spent.
Yeah, not bad, right?
Not bad at all.
I think I spent $5 because of my water.
Yeah. You want me to hold it?
You want me to hold that and that?
Wow. I was staring at it. So now you want me to hold the heavier one?
I'll gladly take your wallet, Mama.
Thank you. I'm never coming anywhere over here.
Why?
Okay, I'm holding the heavier bag.
You want to hold this one?
¿Todos los Oxxo venden comida de esa?
No todos, pero sí la mayoría de aquí.
Perfect. What a great little night stroll. Huh? No. I literally like I held right here. I held nothing during the whole trip. Like, this is my first time holding the bags. I hate carrying stuff, so either her or her plays bag lady, and I walk, I stroll, hands swinging by my side, living my best life, you know. But I'm trying to remember. It's reusable. I'm trying to remember what. Yeah. So yeah, he probably bought it for us. Unless they came with one.
Oh, I think when you said a certain amount,
But I'm trying to remember where I left off. Went to go get flea market. There's enough money to go around. I almost passed out. Yeah, flea market. There's enough money to go around. I'm getting beeped at constantly. We're getting beeped at constantly. I mean, there's not a place I go where I don't get beeped at. Anyways, and then, oh my gosh, so there's this, oh, excuse me, not that exciting, but there's this face wash that I like. And I got it last time I was in Paris, and I tried to buy it in the States. It was like $25 plus shipping and handling. But I got it here for like $20, no shipping and handling. So I wanted a bigger one, but they only had one left. And I was trying to buy more, but they only had one. but it really it works perfectly for my face. So I really wanted it, but I got one and that's okay. So other than that, I came home. Didn't really do much, but I want to tell you about this hotel that we stayed at. The resort that we stayed at was called Caribe. Don't tell me how to vlog my vlog. What is it called? Caribe Solares. I'm trying to roll my eyes. It's really not working. I guess I'll show y'all some stuff as I talk. At night, like honestly, y'all barely could see anything. Can y'all see anything? It's a no for me, dog. Literally. Like, what is there to see? You can't even see. But I'd rate the hotel in total a 3.5 out of 5. Reason being, like, it's pretty. Architecture's cute. Ow, almost fell. Broke my life. Yeah, this is pointless because it's too dark for you to even see anything. Architecture is pretty. The build, nice. Beautiful little flowers. They're real. Plants all over the place. Smelling nature. Like, I like that. But food was trash. I was very sad because I'm in Mexico and I thought I'd be able to find amazing guac, but for whatever reason it's like they don't care, and I could have made the guac better. The food was bland. So basically, food bland, room service you know, it's like hour waits to get food, and the food menu is pretty trash. Yo, I'm gonna insert a picture of the salad Judy got. It was like a little decoration. Huh? We're not talking about the salad. It was like a little decoration on a plate or something. So this is, I think I showed y'all before, that's how they disinfect us before we get back in the hotel. Cleanliness. Do we have to go? I don't know, it's taking too long. 5, 4, 3, 2. So, yeah. And then, yeah, room service takes about an hour. They, you know, what else is there? The pools. What about the pools? Let me put my mask on. But anyways, food.
No, I think mine's in the bag. No, I didn't take anything out. Somebody just took everything out the bag?
She did.
Oh. Yeah, those are yours. Alright. Who got the fire hot?
Me? The purple?
It's all there.
Anyways,
Tomorrow.
food. Juices, straight room temperature. Food, straight bland. No salt. Seasoning, I don't think they believe in that. Guac, they don't know how to make it. Chicken,
No, yeah, a lot of things aren't cooked all the way either.
It's just very like, I guess because it's resort food and they don't really care. But everything is just...
Yeah, because you're going to force to eat here.
Mediocre, you know? But you eat it because it's all you have here. Unless you go off the resort. And it's free, well, it's with your package. So you're just like, why not? Like, I don't know. They don't believe in flavor, or they just...
How perfect timing was that? No? Okay.
Or they just don't know, or they want to make sure that everyone, I don't know what it is. They don't even have salt. Did they have salt?
Barely.
The orange juice, watered down. Food basically was a 1 out of 5. Half out of 5. The pool, it was alright, but it could have been cleaned more often, I guess. Because I think I was seeing some, like, glossy looking things on top of the water. So maybe it was some kind of everyone's oils or something. The
It was pretty
chairs.
good, clean on the bottom though, and like bug wise.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Oh.
What?
My phone died.
She's just gonna
I'm
get
sorry, hold down, please.
on the phone for my snap. So this is it. My last day with this view. I see that. It's a little windy today. Just a little. But yeah. Today's the last day. Last day, and I don't think I got anything to wait for y'all. But I'm gonna be honest, I didn't do anything too great. You see? One for the road. Look at that beautiful sky. Right? Me silhouetting